FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lamzu Tachi. Baby, baby, baby. Hey! Took the liberty of cutting the plastic so we don't see me struggle with that, because sometimes I do. This is like a hot birthday present for me, even though we're very far from my birthday. Hey! All right, here we go. Tachi, 49 grams, 30,000 DPI. Opening her up. Ooh, I love this box. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Like a booklet. All right, what do we got? Let's do the mouse first. I like doing that. Ooh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that's like cold to the touch. Slippery, though. All right, all right. This off to the side. Boom. Got the 8K polling dongle. Very tight, firm foam. Nice. Okay. Open her up. We got some skates. Let's see what skates it comes with. I love Lamzu. The masters. The fucking absolute masters of skate design. Ah, God. We got grips and skates. We got a cord. We got, oh my God, it comes with switches? What? Oh my God, it comes with switches. What? Rock on, man. What else is in here? Okay, so we got the standoffs. Nice. Oh, cool. We got cord. Man, this is a soft-ass bag. Got, what is this, a sticker? What do we got here? A warranty card? Safety manual. It's a safety manual. It's like, oh, be safe with your mouse. Not for eating. Screws. More standoffs. Cool, man. Neat. Hey, this is gonna be a unique review. I get to change. We'll do a video where I change out the switches, see if it changes my opinion on the overall product. This is sweet. Okay. This has been. Let's get that back in there. No, let's put that there. Oh man, let's see if I can do this. See me struggle with that. All right, this has been the unboxing of the Lamzu Tachi. Thanks for watching. FragWatch out, baby. Oh, that's not the mouse that has control. Where's my mouse? There we go. Thanks for watching.